sometimes when me chire me nua no say I say why akora ma na boroso because when you go to his office na ground ho nyina I say ati constituency wo ho nipa ye homa say to before be ban first omo say nipa pem mo nipa hia mo prof
na ehwo bank ya
nipa hia mo
ehwo bank
that should tell you say that is the love the man have for people
you know Oscar
na anyamia tu no sam nyamia hira sabi woni hia sa
okay
ya meka no so ati say so anyamia hira no ono so ya na adwen say hira anyamia ma no ono so be punu bi e de ama nkrofo because say ne o ma no ena ede ena enya bebere yesi hira wo o ma mu send
yeah
ya meka no so ati say enti prof sabi dia wo ye na grassroots na ni so enen okoka chiro bi say erikopoku onya president obeko because erikopoku e fine gentleman say nipa no kra en support erikopoku so erikopoku ebe fa party no from a particular point akwa another point obeka say erikopoku de boni bi ani no ho
na be na ase
ya meka no so ati erikopoku de boni bi asema nti amaba na nya ni nkura de no
sepinim
nti mama ko ba say we no
we dey
that's not the reason why I'm even here.
Okay, so
but the only thing is erikopoku ya my boss.
Okay,
and I just want to let people know
say your boss say uye juma wa Greek ministry
but my boss, my godfather no.
Okay,
that is it. erikopoku is my godfather.
But who not good there but erikopoku
that is it.
Godfather
But no kra na wa asem no say then the party be nkrata to erikopoku frank krata so ko election ono na medi na chi.
Sir,
that is it. I'm supporting him directly. No two ways.
Support we say didn't get here. Say don't get here.
That be say party penny be obi a won vision or the bad yes so we no I the men kase men peno aden na men kase men
maybe say me bisa
everybody has said be NDC mo has said be all the pedigree of contesting for a flag bearership is what is men can say
na say
o se fata obi a se fata ba se ye ko hwe se obi a se fata no ye be say yi mo are ne o se fata mo
erikopoku esefata chain
Mangacho be sefata senior be Mangacho be sefata senior be Asedu Nketia is a well respected man in the party and remains the party's chairman and we respect him for that. But don't make no tia say Asedu Nketia is a well respected man of the party and we respect him for that and he will continue to be respected.
Now and they will not see anything.
Me say about mama come asem so and we hu ne hia me pa. Na endra BBC ye mani anye
na baby
ba dey see ya na me pese metwa manfo adwemba so baby we are forgetting something. That is why
demonstration ana
demonstration e course no you see democracy was under attack but actually no they went and attacked a woman which was very bad, verbally abused a woman and attacked a woman.
When
so democracy was not even under attack. Therefore,
when MP
women
NDC for
security man be and you know you have all your things.
Sure.
I am not here for that comparison. I'm not here for that equalization. I'm here because of one thing. About no interaction. About you. And then you kroma and a school kolabia bo muketim. Eko Parliament House. So amoko eden. Omoko shepa only school nkola de omota akọ Parliament House ko hwe de nyoma e koso Parliament House ye meka no so ade ase no ma hwe proceedings no mo de atworo na da chi bi omanya ni so de hunu so mo nyina ma ba eden be mpi ndem ma be politician. Do you know say it was the Parliament House of Ghana I came when I was in GSS and I informed me decision yama ndem ma be ka politics so am so yama nyosem. So these students also made the same travel on session na mo buy school nkola be na yema and MPs na den I address you mo and Honorable Yakubu so ka Honorable Yakubu
ko wenim
ena o kasem culturally one say ya culture de sanyoma na yetakan mistakenly and a free na no say
akra we
de no ho fe
eden
onyini amede onyini ameware my wife no obetini akra one say o ka say onyini ameware no wan twa ho o say obenyini kura be de abe MP ene de amanfo apapa no afri ho ana o ma fa because say agenda nti o ma fa menyini ameware no kwa de ato na me si kurom ha ye ni feminist be o kurom ha. Feminism for now, you agenda feminism. Wow! I'm telling you today, I'll prove it to you.
I didn't know
agenda feminist. No, but you most annoying part is a prof.
Yes.
I said I didn't see you, you know. People like Manaba Namwa posted.
Sure.
Chef Abi posted. You can go through all.
I know.
For page. I didn't try baby. Calling the MP to order. Some people were calling say MP Nukra was here suspending no parliament. More than MP man on conform. You know that.
I know.
They ya bufu wo hokura ene mami ya mbeka na sema kosi amenu kozi
why then
wo tron krata sabia na de anche so sabia na prof wo tron krata e de come speaker say ono as kozi ne de protecting the girl child na edebe very important. The mega what I say protecting the girl child no mo bomb ma ho ban say na ya yemfa nidi enya den e ma mba enti wa tro nkrata koma speaker abotute si speaker antwi honorable Yakubu aso and even OBB sa no was FM say yantwi na so say kata no yakoma yampam na was yo omo parliamentary rules and regulations bi o ha e was yo mfa mfam and then person bisa si cozy wen and bra minority leader wa disrespecting Nana Jantuah ade Nana Jantuah ye Aphrodite onyoba Nana Jantuah was humiliated and insulted by the minority leader yesterday, and no so-called feminist is talking about it. But now me say ye ni feminist be okrum ha. Among for the politics are calling themselves feminists. A agenda feminist no more ye.
Let's take a listen to what Nyabutre.
Agenda me ba prof mami si na on boss ade no. Agenda feminist no more ye. Why are Nanaba Namwa and Co. Shefa bi no omo posti honorable Yakubu Diana are no posti honorable Afenyo Markin there calling him to order by disrespecting a woman. Everybody is quiet. Agenda and they shouldn't hide under politics. Pastor, if you want to come clear, let's see you. Don't hide under politics and go and write cozy. Akosia menu atron krata.
Me ba Nyabutre.
Me ba akosia menu atron krata.
Anu dey so Canada.
Akoma speaker. See yeyi honorable Yakubu Adi. Ade a wo minority leader. MPP side atimi akodi di oba tem besi nna ade anche so besi ndan yente ho hwe
Afenyo Markin
feminist but I'm telling Ghanaians
no wait let's take a listen to what Afenyo Markin said yesterday na yemfa nko adwendwum ne hu ne se atendidi anase enya atendidi.
With great respect to you and without prejudice to your presence, to nominate only you to come amount to disrespecting us as a political party. I'm the leader of the party in parliament. You have the general secretary of the party here. You have the chief of staff of the flag bearer. We have the chairman of the Constitutional Affairs Committee of the party. Members of parliament and the leadership of parliament are all here. But to disrespect our democracy by only nominating you to come, like I said, with great deference to you, it doesn't match it. So it means that the government does not even take serious the grave issues before us. With great respect to you and without prejudice to your presence, to nominate only you to come amount to disrespecting us as a political party. I'm the leader of the party in
to disrespect to Nana Jantuah.
Mrs. Ame Pacho, and I said, we are Quasia Casano, won't be from Embribri and Izu.
Sir,
Ame Pacho, we are Quasia, Pachoya Boa.
A been up in your market,
I don't know, I know.
Me Pacho say, we are beer.
Same Pachoya Boa level, no, won't be from Cobabia. But you know what happened? The action that took place, that is what I'm saying, it's a feminist for your agenda. Oh, yeah, no. You know, they didn't even hand over the petition, the written petition to Nana Jantuah. But they also nominated one deputy woman organizer to hand it over to Nana Jantuah. Tell someone for buo mama wo krum ha. Okay. They say we MPP mu ne man nya hwe enye nwanwa. Embra na ye vice president, ye running mate or bad running mate no. Prof, they were all over the place insulting her, saying all lot of things. Chama won't me and then one young Sawamuti. Even said, say, running mate now, you know, where the way by four.
Those
a whole lot of things. But nobody talked. And then Nana Jantuah said, be president, upon and no watch a president and Pabwajina president in Naimu. Ewo Hoyo Banti. The minority leader went ahead disrespecting her verbally.
And just all your Banti.
Apart from that,
position.
Apart from that, see, and Kawokan was some we are walking was some we are Wakuma to you. Then I was so you need to hand over the petition. But to go ahead and disrespect women to see MPP, the young fan man, yeshinti, young Paul Bow, no low level, the young fan man, not on some fine day, and fan man and I Jantuah so that Sebi about to about because moon ma and all the feminists are sitting on the fence. listening and watching. Nana Banamwa has not posted about it. Chef Abi has not also posted. A lot of people in DJ Switch no more. Sabi yesi akofurobia na niabriya podcast na they have not said anything about it. And I'm telling you, say all the feminists we have in Ghana are agenda feminists. But what I'm saying, and the reason why I'm here discussing that is that akosia menu sabi oya adwuma de maba omia. One fan krata non tron krata fo from come speaker. One tron krata fo from come speaker and trying to say Alex Afenyo Markin disrespect your bar. Just like the way I was here in the girl child case. So that after that, we will now come to sit on the table and discuss and know whether we have true feminists in this town. And yes, Adia and Bana Mama was nobody has you at heart. And Kavono in agenda, they are hiding behind politics, trying to say they are feminists. It's a lie.
So okay, say MPP for Muma. Edra petition now for New Markins, Edane, Emma Obano. It means that amongst the lot are no more MPP more. Omo nyina ko share omo no oba no de man na che say obu oba nti no de ma oba say oba
enya no kre prof and wonye calculation yi
me na anya ni
wonye calculation yi ya me tell no je ase calculation wonye ni
wo si oba
me say prof calculation wonye ni
chire ma de
ko de hwe se wo bu oba no akoto no wo ho one over honey over petition at the end. You don't give it to someone in the form of disrespect. Say, oh, Bunana ya Jantuah. It would the more be on one level or no so you're buying from man. Meaning personally, and even as a political party, you don't respect women. That is the truth. Nipano Krana. What done the petition at the amano? So from Banana Jantuah number one, what did not him? Do you understand? You have insulted her. She's because you are done insulting Nana Jantuah. She's a nobody, and she does not befit what she has been given to now. Say obey the civil petition. And let's give it to another nobody. To give it to what? A nobody.
So it was from a nobody to
a nobody. So at that instant, two women have been disrespected. Two nobodies.
Could you abandon?
And all people and everybody sitting on the fence.